Hello and welcome. In this lecture, we will see how to create and run Python program. Open termux app. Before we start programming, we need to install Python. Type apt install python and press enter. This will take few seconds. Okay, installation is complete. Now we need editor to write program. Type nano demo.py and press enter. This will open the editor. Type the program here. Print hello world. Press Ctrl plus O and press enter to save the file. Press Ctrl plus X to come out of the editor. Now we can directly run the Python program. Type python demo.py and press enter. Here we have the output. This is how we can use termux app to run Python programs. That's it. See you in next lecture.